In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tax information on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will see sections such as Products, Sales, Analytics and Settings on the left side of the screen. Now open the Help Center from the bottom left corner and use the search bar to search for taxes or sales tax. Inside the Help Center, you will find articles explaining how taxes work on Gumroad and how VAT, GST and other regional taxes are handled. In most cases, Gumroad automatically calculates and collects taxes for eligible purchases depending on the customer's country or region. For example, VAT for EU and UK customers or GST for countries like Singapore may automatically be added during checkout. Because Gumroad acts as the merchant of record for many digital sales, you usually do not need to manually configure tax calculations for each product. You can also review your transaction details and sales reports inside your dashboard to see how taxes were applied to purchases. If you want more detailed information about taxes for your specific country or product type, you can read the official tax articles available in the Help Center. And that's how to add and manage tax information on Gumroad. Thanks for watching.